Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know you don't get to see my face very often, but I thought I would throw up some fun like organizing videos. Yes, isn't this cute? Because I'm redoing some stuff in my bathroom and just kind of making things work a little bit better, and I thought you guys would be interested. I'm kind of rebranding this channel a little bit and going more broadening what we're doing, not just planner stuff, organization, things like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you around and show you the mess of my cabinets. So these are my cabinets. I'm gonna need to just pull everything out. Like, I tried to organize here, as you can see, but it just has not been working. So I've got tons of room. It's really deep, but I just need to redo them. This drawer is not horrible. Sorry, I wasn't showing. Just, it's kind of messy. This is just, yeah, not the greatest, but there isn't a lot of like usable space. And then here's the one that's the worst, because I have tile here, some extra other stuff, and so I just need to reorganize. I have this box here to put the tiles in to take them out. So yeah, I'm gonna get working and make things look better, and I'll show you what it looks like in a bit. Okay, so I think what I want to do is I'm going to put all beauty stuff on this side, since I already have this drawer is beauty, and then this side will be all medicines, since I kind of already have that, and then like extra towels and stuff, and then maybe even some stuff, extra cleaning supplies that aren't going to fit in there, because that's where I keep my toilet paper. So I think that's what I'm going to do, so I'm going to have to pull everything out. Daisy, what are you doing? Are you being silly? Okay, I've gone through them, purged a bunch of stuff. I don't even know how old these are, so I'm not sure. 2015 was when they expired, so I'm gonna get rid of those. I still have this one to do. I honestly don't think there's much I can do to it. I mean, like, it's just the way it is, so yeah. But I'm gonna go through this way. Okay, so I did decide not to touch that one because there's really nothing I can do to it. It is what it is. It's got that weird cutout, so. But here is the beauty side. So I have all my face masks and stuff like that, my nail stuff, some extras. This is also where I put like extra shampoo, some extra towels. Down here is all hair stuff, and behind this basket is all my travel stuff. So I still have tons of room, as you can see. And then over on this side, I have all my medicines, Band-Aids, extra toothbrushes. Down here, girly stuff, Epsom salts, things like that. I didn't really touch the drawers because they're the way I like them. The only thing I did do was I added this little organizer from the dollar store in here to organize some of the small stuff. But yeah, like, I didn't touch this one. I do need to go through and pull out my other more fall scrunchies. But yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know if you want to see more like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.